Have you ever wondered how tight you need to tighten your bow? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on how to tighten your bow and for you to really get the best tightness on your violin bow. So stick around to the end of the video. You don't want to miss this. Hi there, my name is Eric. I'm a violinist dedicated to helping you become a better violinist. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications. That way you get notified for when new videos come out. It also helps out the channel to provide more videos for you. What is the ideal tightness for a violin bow? Well, it depends. And it depends on numerous factors, depending on like the humidity in the air, the dryness in the air, and what is also comfortable for you, and also what is sustainable for the bow. In this case, I have a violin wooden bow, full-size wooden bow, to demonstrate this exercise. I'm gonna loosen it, and the way to tighten your bow, you're gonna use this little screw over here, and what I like to do is righty-tighty this way, lefty loosely the other way. I'm gonna loosen this, and if loosened all the way, you don't wanna make it too loose, because if you loosen it, then you will have a tendency to take the entire screw off this way. As you can see, the horsehair, the bow hair, is really close to the stick of the bow. And what I like to do is, as a general rule, I like to kind of use my pinky as like the width of how much I want to tighten. So we're going to tighten this bow up a little bit. And also, for your reference, the pinky should not be done at the bottom, at the frog. It should be done closer to the middle to see how much tightness you need. So for me, this looks pretty good. Actually, I'll loosen it just a little bit. And my pinky fits nice and snug a little bit. I don't want it any tighter than this, because with wooden bows, depending again on the numerous factors on humidity, dryness, and the quality of the wood in the bow, bows tend to warp either to the left or to the right, depending on how much you tighten the bow. Also, throughout a long period of time, you can actually, this will be a costly repair. And as you can see on my bow, is actually not so bad, but it's starting to warp a little bit. I need to make sure I get this maintained. I need to go to a shop and actually fix a couple things with the bow. But it's actually not as bad as like most cases I've seen, like with student violin bows. Professional violinists also like to determine the tightness of the bow depending on what kind of music they're playing. So if they're playing something rigorous, or let's say something that is forte pretty much the entire way through, they might tighten the bow just a little bit more just to get that volume. But if you want the sweetness, if you want something that's a little bit more mid-range and is able to do a little bit of everything, you want to make sure that the bow has this nice curvature from left to right. We want the bow always to kind of be in a U shape. We never want the stick to be completely flat, because again, because of the tightness of the bow will either warp to the right or to the left. There you have it. I hope this tutorial helped you in determining how tight you need to tighten your bow. If you found value in this video, please make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, again, my name is Eric, and I'm dedicated to helping you become a better violinist. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications. That way you get notified for when new videos come out. It also helps out the channel to provide more videos for you. Thanks so much, and check out other videos on the channel for violin tutorials and tips, and also product reviews. See you in the next one.